If you're looking for a way to protect and insulate your front grille, the FIA winter front and bug screen combination is ready for the job. Optimal vehicle operation performance awaits with FIA's heavy-duty deluxe quilted winter front and interchangeable heavy mesh bug screen for trucks, vans, SUVs, and CUVs. Their all-weather winter front grille cover and bug screen offer valuable benefits during the summer and winter months. You can easily exchange the custom-fit winter front and bug screen on your vehicle to match the current weather and road conditions. The winter front promotes faster engine warm-up and interior heat. It also helps diesel engines with optimum operating temperatures and is made from an all-weather, heavy-duty, quilted vinyl with adjustable airflow doors. The bug screen interchanges with the winter front in the summer for an added protection to the radiator and grille from bugs and stones. The bug screen is made from a tear-resistant heavy mesh screen. If you're interested in purchasing the FIA winter front and bug screen combination or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.